Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, but also the like button if you do like this video. Just a quick video today. I've been sharing on the channel recently some of my Fuji XT4 tips and tricks. We did a video earlier. I will link it up above. It's about all the film simulations that are available on your Fuji camera, so you can check that out if you haven't seen it already. But being new to the system and coming over from Sony, the camera that I bought, the XT4, bought it with a kit lens, but I wanted to get a prime lens. So I did a bit of research and it came in the mail finally today. So I've got just a quick show it that way. There we go, 35mm, the prime lens. I got the XC35. This is the cheaper version, plastic. But from what I understand and from the research I've done, same optics and everything in this lens compared to the more expensive Fuji lens. So let's just unbox it quickly. Manual in there. And then inside is only just the lens. So with this one here, you don't get a super small, you don't get a lens hood on this, but you get the lens cap, back cap, and that will fit on the Fuji X mount system camera. So obviously you can probably see there, it is just a plastic mount there. Price reflective of that. Canadian in Canada to buy here was $259, whereas the other lens, 35mm Fuji, that is the weather sealed, all metal construction, is about double the price. So from what I understand, because it is the same optics, why not go for the cheaper one, try it out. We'll see how it goes. It doesn't also have the aperture ring on there. We'll have to adjust the aperture on the camera with the dial button. Shouldn't be that big of a deal, but we'll see how it goes. I will be sharing some photos of this shortly. I am actually taking a trip out to Banff tomorrow, so we'll give this a bit of a test, put some of the video online, do some more pictures, but I'll be also taking this. I've been going out kind of most mornings, taking some morning walks around, taking some city and street pictures. So if you want to check some of those out, I will have some photos on my Instagram using this new lens, and we'll also share it in one of the upcoming videos as well. So make sure to subscribe, follow along if you want to see some of the images from the new XC35. Thanks for watching, everybody. Short one today, but I'm looking forward to giving this a try tomorrow when I get a chance to take some pictures on a road trip. And until the next time, if you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button. If you found this video, quick little unboxing, useful, if you're thinking about buying this lens, let me know in the comments. Let me know if you have it and you like it. If you have it and you don't like it, it'd be great to hear your thoughts on this 35mm lens. Until the next video, you can check out these ones. Have a great day, everybody.